folks, Ryan here, Feroz Moto, back with another video, and as you guys can see, it snowed again. I was just gonna do that preliminary video of us getting the snow on the car and seeing how she does, but looks like we got blessed with some more, so we can give it another shot down my fiance's parents' house. So this hill before, if you've seen in my older video, was quite a struggle to get up to. Luckily or unlucky, it hasn't been plowed yet, so we can really give a test on these tires. I know a lot of you guys have been asking how they do on the car, and I'm just gonna blow it off since the snow is still light and powdery. But we'll start the car and see how she does. All right, the sides are clean. I'm not gonna go too crazy because we could just use the windshield wipers. I'll place this down real quick. I'll give her a good old start. The car is filthy right now because just how she is. That's how we like it. All right, let's see. Clutch in, start. Like nothing even happened. So we're gonna let her warm up, of course. Put max defrost in rear. Let's see if these poor motors can get off some of this snow. It's doing a great job. So we'll just let it warm up a little bit, and then we'll see how she does up and down the hill. More fun to watch than POV of me, but since I got that with the other one, so we'll get an outside view. But yeah, started fine. The temperature outside, I think it's in the low 30s. I mean, the other day was way colder, so far so good. I love this thing, man. It looks so cool. All right, it's my fiance's car here. Okay, I'm gonna place this down, and I'll try to get you guys a video of me trying to get out of here. So let me get my tripod set up. See how she does. All right, folks, so we have the car here in all of her winter glory. I'll have the camera set up and then have us show how she does going down this hill. Alrighty, here we go. I'm gonna hop in the car and I'll meet you guys down there. See how she does. All right, so I'm gonna put traction off. The car's still cold, so I'm not gonna be pinning it and redlining it on the way up, but let's see how she does. All right, clutch in, first gear, and no problem. Yeah, so we'll see how we do once we get up, but automatically I'm not spinning. I have grip in the front, I'm not plowing forward. Granted, we're not going that fast, but let's see how we do once we get up the hill here. So I'm gonna be in second gear. Higher gear is better than the lower gears when trying to climb up, since we don't want all that torque to just make us spin around. And I'm gonna start giving it some gas here, and hopefully we can get up. And voila, let's see how we stop. I'm pressing the brakes right now. We're still sliding, which is okay, but not an issue. What can I say, guys? Money well spent. These tires did a fantastic job. It's like I wasn't even dealing with the snow. I just kept the car in first and second gear. Obviously first gear is just gonna blitz the rear tires no matter what, there's too much torque. But putting it in second gear and having to crawl up the hill was no problem at all. And I think this is kind of the perfect area and kind of use case for these tires. They're not meant to be a complete winter tire, but for snow and events that we get just like this, I mean, this is literally what I got them for, and they are doing exactly what I expected them to do. But this is so much fun. I want to take it to a spot where I can just go and do some donuts and, you know, be stupid, but I don't really have an area to do that. So I'll just do another video of me trying to get around these turns and stuff. So I'll try to give a little highlight reel as we go up and down the road. All right, see you guys. right, I will do it one more time just to show you guys. All right, snow ready. Man, I love this car. What can it not do? Be cheap, that's one. An expensive girl, but she does it. Does it, no questions asked. So I'm gonna clean off the rest of the car, and I'd say mission success, job well done. Exactly what I got these tires to do, and they did it, so. Approved. If you guys like this content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to know what you guys are running, if you're running these cars all year round like me, since this is my daily driver. And yeah, we could talk about it down below. So thank you guys so much. I'm looking forward to the next video. Happy holidays if I put this out after Christmas. And I want to say thank you guys so much for an awesome year. We are just under 500 subscribers at the making of this video. I can't wait to keep pushing out more content, more track related content next year, and we'll see where this channel can go. The goal is to get to 1,000. I want to get monetized and hopefully get some pennies on the dollar to help me keep doing what I'm so passionate about and love. So thank you guys again, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.